I come all the way from Ukambani to bring greetings from the people of the lower eastern region. Umepokea salamu zao? Excellency, to also represent the Wiper Party leader, His Excellency Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, who was unable to join us today because he has been invited to the DRC to witness the swearing in of their president. And I know he is there with our president, President Muigai Kenyatta. What I know for a fact, His Excellency, and I know my brother Moses is here, I know for a fact that the government of William Samoei Ruto was not invited in that swearing-in ceremony because they have messed up protocol with our region. Excellency, I will say one thing and I sit down. Sio ni ukweli? Si tumeambiwa mzee yote alikuwa anasema ukweli? Na sisi tuseme tu ukweli pia? Kabisa. So, I have a lot of respect for three people, three leaders in this country. The first person that I truly respect, and that is why I am here on a Saturday, ni huyu mzee Jaramogi Ajuma Oginga Odinga. Because when he had an opportunity to form government and become president of the Republic of Kenya, he passed that opportunity and said, we can never do it for as long as Johnston is our leader in Azimio, Raila Amolo Odinga. Because in the year 2002, vile aliangalia akaona viongozi, they cannot agree on who will form the government, he turned and said, Emilio Stanley Mwai Kibaki. And with those words, this man liberated us from the many, many years of dark rule of Kanu. The other man I have a lot of respect for, and that's the man for whom I'm here to bring his things to you, is one Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, who in the year 2013, he shelved his presidential ambitions and stood firmly behind Raila Amolo Odinga. In 2017, he shelved his ambition and stood firmly behind Raila Amolo Odinga. In 2022, he shelved his ambitions and stood firmly behind Raila Amolo Odinga. Those are the three men in this country that I adore and I respect. And I want to say today, without fear of contradiction, that the salvation of this country in terms of political leadership lies in the hands of Raila Amolo Odinga and Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka. The best I want to introduce the senators that are here and perhaps ask the SG of ODM, the biggest political party in this part of the region, not just in Kenya, East and Central Africa, just come and say a word as we introduce the rest of the senators who are here. Senator Safadhali Musime, we introduce you. And I know kuna senator mmoja hajafika hapa leo, na sijui ameenda wapi, na tuko hapa kwao nyumbani. Mmemwona mahali? Ako wapi? Sasa mimi nimetembea natafuta senator simuoni. Baba, there is one thing we have to do in Azimio. Those leaders that are elected on tickets Azimio na wametoroka chama, political parties now must test every article of the constitution and every section of the law. We must withdraw our sponsorship from those leaders to watupe nje, we go for fresh elections. Hapa mnasema nini? Eji unasema nini? Hapo ni sawa. Asante sana.